Changing your payout method on Northern Trust is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Northern Trust website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select payout method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose new payout method. Select the option to change or add a new payout method. You may be presented with various options such as bank transfer, check, or other electronic methods. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new payout method, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Save your changes and confirm any prompts to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Northern Trust. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.